store decisions. Nature Valley packed sustained energy bars from General Mills Convenience are packed with nut butter, nuts and seeds, and dried fruit. The multi-texture bars give convenience store retailers a great new option for consumers who are looking for a substantial snack that's made from real food ingredients. The 1.7 ounce bars come in 2 varieties, peanut butter and cranberry and almond butter and blueberry. They come 12 units per carton with a suggested retail price of $2.29. For more information, visit generalmillscf.com. Okay, I have one of each here. I have the almond butter and blueberry and the peanut butter and cranberry. Let's give them both a try. Them both. They seem like they'll be really filling. They both have really good flavors, but I think my favorite is the peanut butter and cranberry.